you ain't about to get your fur all up on my clothes, my new clothes, and you jumping up, boy. Stay away. That means stay away. Stay away. Be real, chat. Am I chopped? Am I chopped? Oh my god. Am my boobs getting smaller? Why is the bra showing? Anyways. Hey, what's up, y'all? It's, oh my god, what is the, I know y'all saw that. Do-over. Do-over. Next. Hey, what's up, y'all? It's me, MAMIKILOS, and welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we're going to be doing a Style Me bundle Depop haul from AmarisVntg, and this is so long awaited for myself because I've been needing to do a video for this. I actually was doing a TikTok for this right before I made this video, and I'm like, let me just turn it into a YouTube video so you can have the full haul experience, you know. And they causing ruckus back there while I finally decide to record a YouTube video. But anyways, I just keep looking at my hair, y'all. If y'all want to know how I achieve this hair look, these lashes, and these nails from Thee Blended Nails LLC, check out my last video. It was a maintenance video, you know, doing my hair, nails, and my lashes, because, you know, I was tired of looking a little crusty dusty, okay? So as I was saying, I was recording a TikTok video before this, and I did end up opening like 2 or 3 things, and that's why the box looks a little messy. But other than that, the rest of the box is unopened, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all because I'm gonna give y'all proof. I'm not lying. I ain't capping. No shorty ain't capping, okay? Everything is packaged up, okay? And y'all getting the raw review, okay? The reason I wanted to do a YouTube video because I feel like I didn't have enough time as far as like a TikTok video. I feel like a lot of people lose interest after like 1 minute unless it's like you really draw it in for real. So I'm like, I might as well just make this into a YouTube video because my good sis made outfits for me. You see this? Open for outfits pairings. This is not just a clothes bundle, y'all. She actually styled me, okay? And y'all deserve to get the full experience, okay? Let me start by saying this: shop with AmarisVntg. That is my very good sis, one of my best friends, and she has been doing this for a while. She's been doing such a great job with her Depop. Please don't sleep on her Depop, y'all. She goes thrifting every week, y'all. She be having that shit, okay? Don't sleep on my sis. Shout out to AmarisVntg. Mr. Pluto, I know you like the clothes, but can we stay away? My son is trying to get his little orange and white fur on the clothes already. Not yet, okay? Say hi, Bluey. Pluto, say hi. You see, look. He's like, what the fuck am I looking at? Let me just jump right into it. I'm gonna show y'all the stuff that I already, you know, looked at. And also, one thing I did forget to mention is that this is a trashy Y2K Mcbling Style Me haul. I'm gonna show y'all all the clothes, and then we're gonna go through the outfits at the end. So I just want to be able to give y'all the full experience with everything, and then show y'all what was actually paired together. The first few things that I opened already, well, I didn't really open this because she was already like, you know, shorty was out. I seen her already. But look at this beautiful bag. I don't own any pink bags, so I'm very excited to have this new piece. And this is Paradox brand. I'm not so educated too much on the brands, y'all. I'm gonna be so honest. Like, some brands I really don't know, y'all, so please don't get mad at me, okay? So the next thing we have is this velour tracksuit jacket. I meant track jacket, not tracksuit jacket. And I do want y'all to know that she has little tags for everything. So this is a size small medium jacket. I don't own a pink velour jacket. I only own like black and brown. So the next thing we have are these heels from Michael Shannon. They're sequin heels. I think these are a brown. It's a lovely color, and she knows, okay? She knows that I've been trying to get into some more kitten heels. I want to start wearing more heels and wearing heels that are comfortable, because I can't walk around in them high heels, baby. I'll walk around in a kitten heel, but I ain't walking around in no high heels. The next thing we have is this BB shirt. Okay, I actually knew about this, y'all. I knew about this because I saw this on her page and I said, oh girl, I want that. I want that. I love BB. So here is this little baby tee, and I know it's fitting snug to my body. So I love shirts like that. Ooh, okay, Charlotte Russe, early 2000s sequin top. Okay, let me tell y'all a little backstory. I used to love this print, and I think it's called chevron. I could be wrong, but I just remember it as a chevron because it was like a zigzag type of print. This is so cute, y'all. When you got a sleeve, you want to show them arms, okay? And I'm showing them arms, okay? Okay, y'all, so this brand is called Shameless. Never heard of her, but I guess it's giving like mesh glitter tee. I love this. It's a size medium, but she know that this is looking like a small girl. Chat, don't get mad at me if I say that everything is so cute, because it's so cute. Like, okay, so the next thing that we have is this black mini skirt. You can never go wrong with a black mini skirt, okay? She's a genius. Ooh, so many gems in here, y'all. I don't know where to choose from. Ooh, let's do this. Let's do this. I just needed some new clothes. If you know, you know that I've been trying to get some new clothes. I'm literally going to be swapping out my whole wardrobe too, so I feel like I just need a refresh. So this is like a gift from God, okay? And remember, Ariana said God is a woman, okay? Next thing we have is this tank top. It's oh, I didn't even look at the brand, y'all. Oh, okay, Victoria's Secret cheetah tank top. Look at this, y'all. And since it is sized at a large, I will most likely be tying her up, but she kind of knew. She knows. Ooh, this is cute. This is a lace tank top from Sugar Thrills. Look at how cute this is. Look at how cute this is. And I say it's so cute because I have shoes that match this green. Ooh, okay, so I knew about this. I knew about this because one day she was like, oh girl, you want this top? I said yes. And what do it say? Fuck you. I have enough friends. But I love meeting people, y'all, so don't get that wrong. Don't get that wrong. It's still fuck you. I have enough friends. I really do have enough friends, but I love making friends. Like, I don't know, I love making friends and I love meeting new people and networking. So I guess that's really just like me. Would you look at that? Miss Hello Kitty, her motherfucking self. Okay, so I guess it was all tank tops because I'm stunned by this Hello Kitty tank top, girl. Thank you for the lovely surprise. I didn't know that I was getting surprised with Miss Kitty. Next bundle, I think this is a tube top and a dress. Ooh, crochet tube top. This is different. I like. This is from Modena. Ooh, oh, sorry. This is like tapping into my inner Jersey Shore. Like, look at this. This is a dress, y'all. All ass. All ass. Alright, let me chill. Let me chill. Let me chill. This is so cute though. Like, look at the ruffling. Ask is, oh my god. Ooh, a top. Oh, she got me an oriental top. And ooh, so this is a top. This is so cute. I don't own any oriental tops. Oh my god, I cannot wait to wear this, y'all. I only own dresses. And also, I want to let y'all know that she also picked me up a black and red dress, an oriental dress. I just didn't have it ready for this. I might show you at the end though. I love plain tees like this. It's so like, this is so basic, and I'm not even trying to call it basic, but when I say basic, I mean like you can literally wear this with anything. Okay, so I think these are jeans. They are jeans and they're flared. Look at this. Ooh, okay. By Leusis. And like I said, they flare at the end. They're size 1 too, so she knew. Amaris, if you're watching this, I am on the lookout for some capris too, so. Okay, last package of the box. Ooh, I think I saw this in a style bundle. And the material of this was actually shocking me right now because I didn't expect it to have like that type of material. Ooh! Wow! This is so cute. That little piece is frying me, I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, bitch, look at this sexy leopard skirt by Between. I do think it's kid size, but if y'all know that kid sizes fit an extra small. This is the last piece I have to show y'all. Ooh, already, look at that. I'm just too hyped. Like, this is by, it looks like it says Hydraulic. Yep, this is by Hydraulic, y'all. Look at this sexy mini skirt, bitch. I told y'all, all ass. We are showing all ass all summer 25, okay? Even this is a little bit too much. We're trying to wear this. Wait, did I show y'all the clips? She got me these little clips, these star clips. They so motherfucking cute. So now that we have the haul portion out the way, I am going to share y'all the outfit bundle styling that Miss Amaris has gifted me. The first outfit we have is pair the Y2K jeans with the lace tank top or the Hello Kitty tank top. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to do the Hello Kitty tank top because I don't have something right now to put underneath the lace tank top. I just want to tell y'all, excuse the ghetto ass tape over here. My cats ripped down my lights, if you could see them right here, so we had to tape them up, but I did get Velcro and I didn't get to fix it before this video. I just wanted to let y'all know. You see this? Okay, Miss Amaris Vintage, you did what you had to do with this one. I love how this is very form-fitting, and I do want to say that when I wear clothes that actually fit me like very perfectly, it really boosts my confidence. I don't know if it's just me. Finally having clothes that fit you perfectly and you don't always gotta wear a belt for the jeans because they're too big or blah blah blah. This feels really good, but I feel like if I do gain like 10 more pounds, I might not be able to fit into these jeans. So the next outfit we have is pair the crochet top with the denim mini skirt. I'm excited about that crochet top. I don't know. Okay, she's cute. Look at this skirt, y'all. Wait, I gotta look at myself in the mirror. Okay, I really like this. Oh shit, wait, whoopsies. I didn't see that. I love browns and black. This is so cute, y'all. I never saw a crochet tube top, so everything is just wow. Okay, so the next outfit we have is pair the Y2K jacket and the Victoria's Secret tank top with this denim skirt. Okay, she's giving y'all. Giving like flip-flops or like some sort of sandal. So the next outfit we have is pair the red tank top with the cheetah skirt. Y'all know I've been trying to try on that cheetah skirt. Oh! Y'all can't see the bottom of this, but once I iron this, she'll probably lay flat, but she keeps turning inside out. I really love this top because it's literally me. Like the fuck you part is just so me. Like, oh, okay, so she did something a little bit different with this skirt and the pink jacket. So it says pair the Y2K jacket with the cheetah skirt. Ah, right. Okay, so let's try that on real quick. Let's try this on real quick with it, because I'm gonna zip it up. This is something cute to just throw on. Okay, but knowing me, I probably just have this John cropped or something, or like, you know, or even have it like off the shoulder with like a blank tank top. I feel like it probably would be better if it wasn't fully zipped. So that's on me right there, because I'm still wearing this shirt, but I mean, that's still cute. Yeah, I think it's better unzipped. Pair the sequin BB or sparkle baby tee and the black mini skirt and heels. Ooh, are y'all seeing it? Okay, I feel like now that I'm seeing the shoes next to the outfit, I feel like it might go best with the sequin outfit. I don't know, we'll see. Y'all see it? It's literally just a mini skirt with a little slit. So y'all seeing it. I love this top though. I love BB. Instantly love this top when I put it on. Like, y'all see the shimmer okay? I actually like the shoes with this outfit too, but I feel like because that brown tint, I feel like I'm still set on the other top. And it's not see-through like I thought. Like, y'all can't see my boobs, y'all can't see my bra, y'all can't see my boobs. Oh yeah, this is gonna be the one. This is the one. Oh yeah, girl, this is the one. This is the one. This is the one. Y'all can't see the heels right now, but y'all can see the height. Let's just do it like this. And I'm not putting my toes in the can because the toes ain't done. The last outfit that we have for today is pair the Forever 21 dress with the heels. The pink oriental top and the Virginia tee are extras. So I'm still gonna try that on for y'all at the end. I just want to let y'all know how much of like, I'm getting like Jersey Shore club vibes from this. Like, this is really a baby doll dress because it literally stops like right under my ass, y'all. When I first showed y'all, I thought it was gonna be a lot shorter than it looked. That bitch, I feel like it would look so cute with a middle part bust down. Who y'all know? Who y'all know? Here's the Virginia tee, y'all. I told y'all, just sound basic. Like, I love it. I probably would tuck it like here or something, wear like a jean with like, this would go perfect with these orange high heels that I never wore. I'll probably wear them like once, but y'all look. Oh my gosh, wow, so beautiful. I didn't get to button up the top only because I can't with these nails and I'm by myself. It's just so difficult. Like, I was just gonna keep wasting time trying to get it together. Let me show y'all the matching dress. And no, it's not buttoned up, but now y'all see. And even though it's not a part of the style bundle, this is something that Amaris snagged for me while she was at the thrift one week. She said, oh, I thought of you. I said, snatch it. I hope y'all enjoyed this clothing haul video. It was very different from the videos that I've been posting recently. I haven't done a clothing haul in like 5 years, literally. I think, you know what, let's pull up the receipts. So y'all, the last clothing haul that I uploaded was actually 3 years ago, was a Shein try on clothing haul, and that was the last time that I had shopped with Shein. Here we go, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed it though, and if y'all want to see me do more clothing try on hauls, please leave a thumbs up. I actually do want to do a big Depop haul of the other stuff that I have also purchased on Depop. So if y'all want to see that, you know, leave me a comment below, leave that thumbs up, because that'll just be like, hey y'all, I want to see more clothing hauls. Like, we like when you do clothing hauls, because I really, like I said, I haven't done one in 3 years, so it's really good to do one again. And don't forget to subscribe, you know, because if I do another clothing haul, you would want to be, you know, subscribed for when I post up, but then you will want to put those post notifications on so you know when I post another video. So don't forget to put those on either after you subscribe. But other than that, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter at MAMIKILOS and Young St. Los on TikTok. My business page, Young St. Customs on Instagram, and Business PHL on Instagram as well. And don't forget to shop with Amaris, y'all. Her links will be all down in the down bar. We have AmarisVntg on Instagram and TikTok, so make sure y'all stay posted with my sis. If you follow her on Instagram, she posts a bunch of updates on when she goes shopping, and also on Depop, where she posts lots of new things all the time. So stay posted with my sis, and I hope y'all again love this clothing haul. And big thank you to my sis Amaris. I love you so much, my sister girl. I'm outie. Get your style bundle from Amaris today, y'all. I'm just now seeing this. If y'all seen some white stuff, that's how you know I was just talking way too damn much. You know you've been talking way too fucking much when your mouth got the white shit forming in the fucking corners. Like, I guess it's time for me to shut the fuck up now. So see y'all soon, I guess.